Hi, I'm Nishab and welcome to this new video tutorial of Bagisto. In today's video tutorial, we'll be checking two different product types in Bagisto, that are the bundled and the grouped product types. So in the case of bundled products, what the admin can do is he can make use of different products to create options for the main product there. For example, if you're an admin of the Bagisto web store and you want to sell out a bundled product, like for example a laptop that is having different RAM sizes, different processor sizes and different screen sizes and color options, then you can provide different options by making use of the different products there, so that the customers can select any one option from the available ones to create the main product there. After creating the main product, the customers would be able to add that particular product configuration into the cart and can make a checkout thereafter. Kindly note that it is mandatory for the customers to select all of the options there available for the bundled product so as to create the main product there, and thereafter they'll be able to make a checkout itself. Apart from that, on the category listing page and on the product page for the bundled product, the price range is visible for the options starting or sorted by the lowest to the highest there. Now in the case of group products, a group product is basically a collection of correlated products. For example, like a collection of 3 products like a t-shirt, pants and shoes that are correlated to each other. Now the customers would be able to select any one product out of the list and can make a checkout, or can go with all of the products and can purchase all of the products that are available within the group there. In the case of group products, the price that is visible on the catalog listing page and on the product page is being displayed of the lowest product that's there. So the price would be displayed as starting at with the lowest price of the product within the particular group there. So in today's video tutorial, let's go ahead and let's see how the group products and the bundled products appear to the customers at the Bagisto store front end, and then we'll be seeing how we'll be able to initially create both of the product types there in the Bagisto backend panel. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So let's hop on to the Bagisto backend panel and let's see the workflow there and the rest of the workflow at the Bagisto store front end. So right now you can see that I'm at the Bagisto web store front end on the home page, and if I scroll down here, you'll be able to see that I have two different product types that I've created already for demonstration purposes there. One is the Dell laptop, that's a bundled product, and one is the clothing set, that's a group product. So first of all, let's check the clothing set, that's the group product, and let's see how it appears to the customers on the storefront. So here on the listing page, you can see for the what we say as for the group product, it says starting at $100. So the minimal price of one of the products there in the group is $100, so that's why it's stating it as $100. So now if I open this clothing set, you can see that we have 3 different products within this particular group product. One is the pants for men, that's for $1,000, red shoes and the t-shirt black. Now kindly note that if you're creating a group product or be it a bundled product, you'll be able to make use of only the simple products to create these types of products there. Apart from that, you can also make use of the product variations of the configurable products there to set up the group products or the bundled products there. So on the group product here, you can see that I've set the name as clothing set, and it's having 1 pant, 1 t-shirt and 1 shoe within it. And here I've set the short description as group product demonstration. The name of the products within the particular group are pants, red shoes and t-shirt black. So all of these 3 products are single standalone simple products that I've added within this particular group product. That's the main group product with the name clothing set there, and the customers can basically go with any one of the products within the for example, if I want to go with the pants only within this particular group product, then I can increase the quantity to 1 and I can add it to the cart and I can make a checkout thereafter. Otherwise, if I want to go with the pants and the red shoes, then I can make the quantities as applicable for me as a customer, and I can add those products to the cart and can make a checkout. Otherwise, if I want to go with all of the products, then I can increase the quantity as per the requirement there, and I can add the products to the cart there to make a checkout there. So if I have tapped on the add to cart button, you can see that the particular products would be added into the cart. As you can see, pants for man 1 quantity, red shoes 1 quantity, t-shirt black quantity 1, and from here we can tap on the checkout button to make a checkout thereafter. Otherwise, let me clear out the products within the cart there. So let me cancel this out, and let me cancel this one out as well. So if I want to go with the pants only with 2 quantities, then I can select 2 quantity and I can add it to the cart there, and the particular product would be added into the cart thereafter. So here in the cart you can see now the quantity is 2 and the total cost is 2000, and from here we can make a checkout as per the requirement there. So this was how the particular group product appears to the customers, and here as well you can see that starting at $100 and the red shoes are of $100, the lowest price of the product within this particular group there. So that is visible here as well, starting at $100 there. So this was about the group product. Now let's hop on to the home page once again. Let's go to the home page once again. So let me just clear out the cart for you. Let me clear the cart and let me go to the home page once again. And on the home page here you can see the bundle product that I was talking about initially in the introduction. There is the Dell laptop. Now here you can see the price range of the options sorted by lowest to highest. As you can see, from $6,707 to $14,508 is the price range for the configuration of this bundle product there. Now if I open this bundle product, let's see how it appears to the customers on the product page there. So here it's in stock. The main product is the Dell laptop that the customer would be purchasing, and here you have the price range of the options there. The lowest is the $6,707 and the highest one is the $14,508 there. And the short description is also visible here to the customers. Dell laptop, configure your laptop as required there. And here you can see the customized options. Now in the case of the group products, we saw that in the group products we can add the simple products, and those simple products are visible along with their price there, and the customers can select any one or all of the products within the group there and can make a checkout thereafter as per their requirement. But in the case of bundle product, what happens is that different products are used to create options for the main product. In this case we have a laptop, and the laptop is having different RAM sizes. So here we have a simple product, that's the RAM 128 GB and RAM 256 GB. So these RAM 128 and RAM 256 GB are simple products that we have already created, and we have created an option with the name choose RAM, and we have used the products to create the option values there that can be selected by the customers as per their requirement. So here you can customize the options for the main product, that's the Dell laptop. So in the case, for example, I want to configure this Dell laptop as per my own requirement using this bundled product, then what I can do is I can choose the RAM size as per my own requirement. If I want more RAMs there, for the selected RAM size, I can increase the quantity from here as well. I can choose the processor type between i5 and i7 processor. I can increase the quantity, the number of processors that I want there can also be increased. I can choose the screen size between a 14-inch and a 16-inch, and the price for each option is also visible on the right hand side there along with the particular option there. Here you can see that I've also the choose color. Red color is for $7 more and the green color is for $8 more. And now if I scroll down here, you can see your customization. So it displays the total amount here. Here you can see that we have chosen the RAM as 1 RAM, that is 1 unit of RAM 128 GB, 1 unit of i5 processor, 1 unit of screen size 14 inches and 1 unit of red color for the laptop there, and we have configured this particular laptop. And after we have configured the options for the laptop, then we can add the particular laptop into the cart, and then the particular admin would be able to provide those specific configurations that have been selected by the customer for the laptop. Those configurable options would be available in the product that would be shipped out to the customer there. Now here you can see one more thing, that the lowest prices here, like $1,200, $5,000, $500, $5,500 and $7 come to $6,707. Now if I go with the higher values here, that's RAM 256, i7 processor, screen size 16 inches and green color, then the price comes to $14,508. That's the highest one that is being displayed here itself. Now whatever selections we have made here, you can see that now the RAM is 256, it's an i7 processor, the screen size is 16 inches and the color is green there. After the customization has been done for the particular laptop there, the customer can select the quantity of the laptops to purchase with the particular configurations that have been made. So if I want to go with one laptop, I'll make the quantity here under the customization as 1. Otherwise, if I want to make it as 2 laptops with the particular configuration here, then I can set it as to 2 as per the own requirement. So for example, if I go with the one unit there, or one laptop with the particular configurations, I can tap here on the add to cart button and the particular laptop would be added into the cart itself. So here if I go to the cart, you can see that we have the quantity 1 and the price is $14,508 there. And if I go to the view shopping cart there, I will be able to see the RAM size that we have selected with the price, the processor type, the units that we have selected, the processor price there, the screen size, the unit and the screen size there, the color type that we have selected and the units for the same as well. So from here you can, if you want, you can remove these as well. So let's remove this particular selection here, and after removing the same, let's go back to the particular home page and go to the bundled product. That's the Dell laptop there. And for example, if I want to go with 2 RAM, I can make it as 2, and if I want to go with for example, screen size is 2 units there, I can make the configuration there and I can tap here on the add to cart button, and the same selections would be visible in the add in the cart as well. So if I go ahead and I go to the cart here, initially you'll see the quantity there on the basic configuration or the customization that we have done. For that, we are selecting the quantity of the laptops that we want as 1, so that's why in the cart it's displaying as 1. But if I go to the wave shopping cart, we'll be able to see the RAM size as 2 units being selected, a processor type as 1, screen types as 2 being selected there. So this was how the group products and the bundle products appear to the customers at the store front end. Now let's hop on to the admin backend panel and let's see how the admin would be able to initially create these ones in the admin backend panel. So for this demonstration, I've already created the products, so I'll just give you a gist of how to create the same. So for the same, let's hop on to the Bagisto backend panel and let's log into the backend panel by entering the username, password and tapping on the sign in button there. So here you can see that I've created the Dell laptop, that's a bundle product, and a group product that's of the type group product. So to add a group product, you need to tap here on the add product, and then from the product type you need to select the product type as grouped, and then you have to set the SKU and tap on the save product, then you'll be on the product edit page. Now for the already created product that I've created, let's go to the products. And here let me go to the group product that I've created with the name clothing set. That's of the group type. So here you can see that the main product that's there is of $0 and the quantity is 0. The price comes from the single standalone simple products that we have added, and the quantity comes from those single standalone products itself. So there's no need to set the main group product price or the quantity there. So let me edit it out. So what you need to do is, after you have selected the product type, set the SKU there and tapped on the next button. After selecting the product type as group product, you have to set up the SKU, set up the product name, the URL key, set it as new, featured, visible individually, or as per your own requirement there. And guest checkout and status as enabled. Then you have to set up your description, meta description. If you have an image for the product, for the group product there, you have to select that up. Then you have to select the category, and then you'll have one section with the name group product. So here what you can do is you can search for the products by entering the name of the products, or the simple standalone products, or the product variations of the configurable products can also be searched. For example, if I go with the red here, you can see that I have red shoes and red color. The red color is one of the product variations of one of the configurable products that I've already created. So the product variations can also be used to create the group products. Now the product variations of the configurable products are simple standalone products, so they can be used as well for the creation of the group products, or be it in the case of the bundle product. So here what you need to do is you need to select the particular product. For example, let me go with the red and let me choose red color. You can see we have the product being edited as red color here. So here you can set the default quantity that would be available, or that would be basically auto selected on the group product page for the customers to select. For now I've selected as 0, and you can set up the sort order for the same, and then you just need to select the channels and set the linked products for your group product. So this is the group product section. That's the main important thing where you need to search the products that you want to add to your group product there. And after adding the products there, you have to tap here on the save product to save the particular product. Now if I go to the clothing set group product and I refresh it up, you'll see that we'll have one more option with the name red color that we had added. So this is how we can create the group product in the admin backend panel. Now let's see how we can create the bundle product in the first place. So for that, what you need to do is you again need to go to the backend, go to the products, tap on the add product, select the product type as bundle, set the SKU, save the product, and then you'll be on the product edit page. Now what I'll be doing is I'll be editing the bundle product that I've already created, and I'll take you to the product edit page and I'll show you how you can set up the different options for the bundle product there. So for that, I'll just go to the products once again, and here I have the Dell laptop that's of the type bundle, and I'll tap here on the edit option. Now here similarly you have to set the SKU, the product name, the product number, the name. The name would be the main product that you're selling out. Now we'll be adding products to this main product, and we'll be using the products to create the options for this particular product there. So I'll set it as new, featured, visible individually, guest checkout enabled, status as enabled, set the description, meta description. I'll set the image for the particular bundle product. Now here's the bundle product as you can see, and here we are having different options like choose RAM, choose processor type, choose screen size, choose color. Now if I go back to the backend panel there on the product edit page, on the bundled product page here on the product edit page, you will find one section with the name bundled items. Now here what you can do is you can tap here on the add option button to create a new option. So after you have created the option, you have to set the option title. For example, choose RAM, then this would be the title and this would be visible on the front end like this. Choose RAM, choose RAM size. You can choose the input types for the same like radio, checkbox or multi-select as per the requirement there. You can make it as required or not. Then under the product section for the edit option, what you need to do is you need to search for the products that you want to add for the same. For example, I want to add RAM. The products that are the simple standalone products would be displayed here, and I can select any one. For example, I'll tap here on the 128 GB. 128 GB is already selected, so it would not be edited there. For example, processor. And then the processor would be added here as well within the RAM section. So I'm just giving you a demonstration of how to add the particular option for the bundle item there, and choose the input type, and for the particular option that you have created, how to search the product and add the products. Similarly, you can choose processor type. You can set the title there. The title would then be visible here on the front end. Then we have to add the products to create the options there. So we'll scroll down within the particular option and go to the product section, and here we'll be searching for the particular processor type there by entering the name of the processor, and we'll be selecting that up. Similarly, we can create the screen size. We can set up the option title for the screen size, choose the products for the screen size option that we want to provide to the customers there, so on and so forth. Now let me delete the new option that I had added here. So here what you can see is that for the RAM I've added the i7 processor as well, and let me set the sort order for the same and the quantity that would be available there, pre-selected quantity, and I'll save the product. Now if I go to the Dell laptop and I refresh this particular page here, you'll see that under the RAM size we'll have now 3 different options: RAM 128, RAM 256, and we added the processor type as well. So this is just a demonstration of the bundled product there, and I hope that this particular video helped you out in understanding what are the group products and what are the bundled products, how they appear to the customers at the storefront end, and how the admin in the backend panel of the Bagisto would be able to initially create the bundle as well as the group products in the first place. So if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up, and if you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@bagisto.com, or you can raise a ticket at bagisto.uvdesk.com. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.